Welcome to the tutorial on how to start a project in Parvamoti. To begin, add users to your company. To add a new user to Parvamoti, start by navigating to the main menu, click on User, and select Add User. Fill in the required details for the new user. An invitation to the user will be sent by email. To add a new project, go to the main menu, click on Project, and choose Add Project. Again, fill in the necessary details for your project. Select the project type depending on your project requirements and configure all settings. Select Company Contact Persons from the list. Select the number of measurements depending on your requirements and the start date. During the project, you can select a specific date or date range as the null measurement to align the baseline with the most representative data for your project. On the next step, select the country and the coordinate system. Now you can add devices by dropping an Excel file with the full list. You can download an example file directly on the page. You can also add devices manually through the interface. Then, select which of the devices will be used as a reference station. Use pre-run mode to test the project before starting. This allows you to ensure everything is set up correctly and running smoothly before you begin the actual measurements. You can activate and deactivate the pre-run mode on the project page. Once you're happy with the settings, start the project and begin measuring right away.